Hopefully you guys can see me okay. I don't have my gimbal or anything, and like I said, the equipment's not the greatest. But I'm here looking at the Toyota Mirai. I'm surprised they even have it here actually, but it's hidden all the way here in the corner of this big Toyota section, and they've hidden it all the way back here. I think it just shows how much that Toyota really doesn't care much about renewables at all. I mean, I don't even like the Mirai. I think the hydrogen is just stupid. But yeah, I'm gonna take you over there and show you it real quick.
What's this?
Looks like a Saturn. Yeah. It's huge carbon fiber tanks. Yeah, well, there it is, just in case you were wondering.